celebrating the legacy of PlayStation's greatest games. When Sony launched the PlayStation in 1994, it was a gaming revolution. Born out of a failed collaboration with Nintendo, the PlayStation didn't just enter the gaming world, it shook it. Over the years, PlayStation has built a legacy of unforgettable games that have shaped the industry. Today, we're diving into the 20 best PlayStation games of all time. Buckle up for a trip down memory lane. Let's kick things off with the pioneers, games that started dynasties. The spine-chilling Resident Evil introduced survival horror as we know it. Tekken redefined fighting games with 3D combat, and Crash Bandicoot became a beloved mascot, hopping into the hearts of gamers everywhere. Admit it, you still have PTSD from Crash's Boulder Chase. The PlayStation was also home to some of the greatest RPGs ever made. Chrono dazzled with its time-twisting storyline and massive cast of characters, while Final Fantasy Tactics brought us a gripping tale of war, betrayal, and strategy. Tactical RPGs had never been this intense, or this punishing. Yeah, we've all been there. Next up, the genre busters, games that broke the mold. Silent Hill terrified us with its fog-drenched streets and psychological horror. Parasite Eve gave us a hybrid of RPG and survival horror that was ahead of its time. And then there was Syphon Filter, where stealth action met high-tech gadgets in an unforgettable package. Remember sneaking around with that flashlight? Heart-pounding stuff.